Hello, my name is David Wade. I'm the CEO and Principal of GEMS Winchester School in Fujairah. I've been in Dubai for 14 months now. I was recruited here by GEMS from Singapore. At King's, I had a total hip replacement on the right side. I chose King's College Hospital in Dubai because I was first of all aware of the reputation of King's from living in London. My wife works in the medical sector and she is meticulous about researching such things. I think it's very important when you're choosing a surgeon that you look at a number of factors, the hospital being one, but also the surgeon particularly, individually. So we looked at the track record of Dr. Gwynne Howell, we looked at reviews, we looked at biography, profile, experience, qualifications, and we made a holistic judgment as to which was the best surgeon at the best hospital, and that's why we chose Dr. Howell here at King's.
Hello, my name is Dr. Gwynne Howell. I'm a consultant orthopaedic surgeon specialising in hip and knee replacements based at King's College Hospital, London in Dubai Hills. I trained in the United Kingdom, the United States of America and Canada. I have vast experience in the nature of hip replacements, including over 1,000 complex revision surgeries to both hip and knee primary arthroplasty. I've put in more than 10,000 primary hips and more than 5,000 primary knee replacements.